the Americano from Piazza Panini on board the Carnival Mardi Gras. It's the grilled chicken and a whole bunch of other goodness. Here's what's included all in here. I'm gonna take a bite of that. And then also got the Peppe, which has I'm really intrigued by this spicy olive spread. What's included in this one? And we'll give you an update on how they taste. So the Peppe, delicious. That spicy olive spread. It's kind of like New Orleans when you get a Mufaletta, only, I mean, actually kind of is. It's the panini version of a Mufaletta. If you enjoy those, you could just pop upstairs from Emeril's where they sell them and get this from Piazza Panini for free. I did get both sandwiches without tomato, so you can customize the sandwiches. So normally it would have a big thick tomato in there. Not my scene. I'll try the chicken next. Okay, so now we're onto the chicken, but it's not cut in half, which makes it a little more difficult to eat, so. Definitely not for me. That cheese. Dees, I'm gonna slide this one down to you and return back to the Peppe. So the Americano, I've got to look to see what that cheese was in there, but, or maybe it's the, I don't know. I'm not a fan of that one. So I'm coming back to the winner is the Peppe. Check them out on Piazza Panini and the Carnival Mardi Gras. Okay, Dees has convinced me to try a second bite of the Americano. It says it has pepperoni on it. It says it has a variety of ingredients that I really don't see anywhere, but it does look like maybe it's this onion, or maybe it's some of the herbs that I tasted. I don't know what it was, but I'm gonna give it a second go. I think it's a sweet onion. That's what threw me off. Because I don't think that's, it says it's pepperoni.
We weren't expecting the sweet.
That is not pepperoni. I wasn't expecting that. The chicken is really good.
Chicken is excellent.
I'm gonna have another bite without the onion. Okay. The Americano, maybe.
No, hold the spinach.
Hold the spinach, hold the tomato, hold the onion. So really, chicken and cheese. Really enjoyed lunch though at Piazza Panini. I'm actually jumping into the second half of the Peppe. Did you want to try bite? Okay, talk to you soon.